So tonight we want to look at loop in JavaScript. Use loop to repeat something, to do something over and over again. Let's say I want to repeat hello world 5 times. So I can copy this and display it 5 times. This is 5 times. And when we check it out, you're going to see let's put it together. Put similar messages in console. Okay, so we have this hello world, we have it 5 times. But what we want to display it 100 times. Is this how we are going to write it? That brings us to loop. So loop can be used to repeat something. This is how to write a loop. You have for loop, you have while loop. But we're going to be focusing on for loop tonight. You write for, you put a variable here. You put a condition here. Then whatever you want to do will be here. Let I equals to 0. Is I lesser than 10? Let's do it this way. I is 20. Is 20 lesser than 10?
No.
Because that condition is false, is not going to enter this place. So we are not going to see anything. Any questions so far? That's why we can't see anything here. Question? Hope you get it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Alright. So we put a variable here. If this condition is so, it will do this. If the condition is not so, it's not going to do it. So presently the condition is not so and it's not going to do this. Let's proceed. Let's say this is 9. Is 9 lesser than 10?
Yes.
So it will enter this place and it will only go. It's
Yes,
going to
sir.
say, thank you. So it's going to do console log hello world. You see hello world. When it is done, remember I said the function of loop is to repeat something. So when it's done, it will come back again and check this condition. Remember our I is 9. Is 9 lesser than 10? Yes, right? Please, I want us to respond.
Yes, 9 is less than 10.
9 is lesser than 10. It will enter this place
Yes,
again.
sir.
Alright. It will enter this place again. Thank you, Mrs. Jadosala. It will enter this place again and run the code there. Then when it's done again, it comes back here again and check the condition. Is 9 lesser than 10? Yes. It will enter this place on the code there, console log hello. Come back here again, 9 lesser than 10? Yes. So it's going to keep doing that till eternity. Any question to this point?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So when we run it, you see this is rolling because it's running till eternity. Right? We shouldn't run this. Let's fix the bug. Here is the problem. The problem is that it keeps coming back to check this condition. So what we want to do is that, remember, as long as this condition is false, it's not going to run this loop again. So we want it to run to a point whereby this condition will be false and it's going to stop looping. So we can say I equals to I plus 1. So I is 9. Is 9 lesser than 10? Yes. It will enter this place and run the code here. It will console log hello. I equals to I plus 1. That is I equals to 9 plus 1. I becomes 10. Is I, which is 10, lesser than 10? Yes. 10 is lesser than 10. Sorry, no. 10 is not lesser than 10. is I, which is 10. Is it lesser than 10? No. 10 is not lesser than 10. So it's going to stop immediately. Any questions at this point? Any questions at this point? Do we get it?
Yes, sir.
A question for us now. If this is 4, what will I see if I run this code?
I think 5 euro word.
Okay, 5 hello world. Let me ask us. Christopher, okay, I think you have answered. Adebayo Adeshina, Jadesola Jinatu. What's your view? What's your view? What's your view? What's your view?
Sorry, I'm not seeing your screen. We are going to see the 5 hello words.
5 hello word. Okay. Sharifat.
Hello. Your screen blank here.
Oh, okay. Okay, if it's like this, we're going to see 6 hello words. Six. But really, we gave good attempts. That was a good one. High will first be 4. Is 4 lesser than 10? Yes.
5.
It's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes 5. 5, that is 4 plus 1. Is 5 lesser than 10? Yes, it's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes next, which is 6. Is 6 lesser than 10? Yes, it's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes the next value, which is 7. Is 7 lesser than 10? Yes, it's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes the next value, which is 8. Is 8 lesser than 10? Yes, it's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes the next value, which is 9. Is 9 lesser than 10? Yes, it's a cancel like yellow word. I becomes the next value, which is 10. Is 10 lesser than 10? No, it will stop. Stop. Now, instead of cancelling hello word, I want to cancel log I itself. So this is going to cancel log 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry. So you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have this. Now, if I want to see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, what am I going to do? Instead of 4 to 9, I want to be 9 to 4. What am I going to do?
Sir, can you come again?
I want it to be, pleasantly. When we run this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Do you get it? The inverse of this, instead of 4 to 9, I want it to be 9 to 4. What am I to do? You can tell us what to do. You can tell us what to do. You can tell us what to do. Oh, maybe network. Okay. Are we going to do that as assignment that we submit in the next class? Okay, in the next class, please, I want you to display 9 to 4 instead of 4 to 9. 9 to 4 instead of 4 to 9. So let's do it as assignment then. In the next class, I want us to display 9 to 4 instead of 4 to 9. 9, 5, 4, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So we continue from here in the next class. Thanks for coming. Good to have us around.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.